Hey there, this is Mrs. J. Today we're going to look at top number 1, and we're going to edit it according to the toy company's request to add a triangle opening in the center here. So the first thing we're going to do is edit the existing sketch and then close it up and add a triangle. So we'll come over here to sketches. There's a cool feature I want to show you. I don't know that I can with this small screen. But down here is a timeline, and it shows you everything you made in the order you made it. So we made a rectangle, we extruded it. We made a circle and a square, and we extrude cut for those. So it tells you everything you've done, and it's a pretty cool feature for Fusion. So let's come over here to sketches, and we're going to look at sketch number 2. I'm going to double click it and get it in front of you. We're just going to adjust a few things. So press down on my mouse pan key. I want you to double click this 175, change it to 1.25. I'm reading the schematic that's in the assignment instructions. And then I'm going to double click this one and change it to 0.75. Everything else looks like it stayed the same. 1, 1, 1, 1.5. Yeah, okay, so everything else stayed the same. We're just going to add a triangle in here. I'm going to finish the sketch. Earlier I tried making a triangle right there while it was still opened, and then I wasn't able to extrude it. It didn't project to the top. So we need to come up here and create a new sketch right on this plane. So just click on top of it. I did create, I tapped on here. And you know a triangle is a polygon from your geometry class, so create polygon. Just throw it somewhere in here. Don't worry about placement. We'll fix that after. Remember, we're trying to avoid this diameter. You can do the math on that, figure out what it is, but if you hit tab on your keyboard, tab 3, enter, you're good. And then let's go ahead and put this in order. So constraints, horizontal, vertical. I like how they put it together. That's kind of cool. Click that and then click the bottom line and it'll just straighten it out for you. See how my mouse changed? Make sure you hit escape to get out of that. You don't want that twice. Okay, dimension. Take one side, it does not matter which one. Just make sure you're getting it. The dimension is parallel to the line. Make sure your dimension did not change. So it's going in the same direction as your line, and I want it to be 1. Okay, obviously we need to put this where it belongs. So dimension tool, we're still in it. We're going to click the bottom of the triangle and the bottom of the side, the top piece. We're going to keep it right here. I know I say never dimension on a part, but it would be too far away if we did it otherwise. Put that right there. And we need one more dimension to get it in the center. So because this is a polygon, you've got to use this center point. So get in there, click that. You're in the dimension tool. Click the outside left side. Bring it up here. And it's 2.875. 2.875. And that puts it right in the center there. Hit escape, finish your sketch, and then we're going to extrude. Top left, extrude, hit right here. I'm going to rotate so I can make sure it happens. I need to rotate that way. Yeah. Okay, and we want to do an extrude cut. So if you get the choice over here in this dialog box, we don't want a new body, we want to cut. So that's important. You want to make sure it's red, transparent, disappearing, cut. Okay, doesn't matter the dimension. Okay, and then you want to change the name as you save it. Sometimes I forget to say this in the videos. Always make a new name so you have something different. I want to do save as. Save as gives you a new part. Save updates your existing part. So we're going to call it the top number 2. Save as. Remember that? Save as gives you a new thing. Save just like Microsoft Word. Okay. Thanks for watching.